guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Time for a delicious pasta salad on the channel with some bacon, feta cheese, some jalapeños, red onion, and a delicious oil dressing. It is delicious, easy, so let's get started. I'm going to boil some pasta over my stove. Just follow the package you have and use the pasta you want to use. I'm using Feta today. When the pasta is done, just rinse it under some cold water until it is cooled down completely. On a pan, I'm going to fry some bacon. I've cut into some smaller bits and just fry until it is nice and crispy. Remove from the pan and leave the bacon fat on the pan. Add in some sweet corn, good long butter, and some salt, and fry these corns for about 5 to 7 minutes. When they're fried, just take them off the pan. In a bowl, I have all of my cooked pasta, and then in all of my corn, some chopped spring onion, red onion, and bell pepper, freshly chopped parsley, one small jalapeno. If you like it nice and spicy, you can easily add in a lot more. All of my bacon, in with some oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and give it a good stir. Last but not least, in with some feta cheese, and you can easily add in a lot more feta cheese in if you really love feta cheese. I hope you enjoyed this very quick and easy pasta salad. Give it a go. Ingredients are down below as always. Bye!